Besides allowing users to create dynamic versions of basic reports, BizInsight allows the creation of complex reports as well. Using BizInsight functions in conjunction with Excel logic and formulas allows the report builder to create some really robust reports. Here we have a sample of a 12-month rolling report. This type of report is very difficult for most reporting applications, but with BizInsight, it's seamless. Notice that when I select a different month and year, not only does my current period update to reflect my selection, but the previous 11 months update as well, indicating that we have a true rolling 12-month report. Also, you'll notice that this is a high-level view of this income statement. So for each of my revenue, cost of sales, and expenses section, I'm only showing the totals. But suppose that there is a user that wants to see the underlying account balances that make up these values. I've used Excel grouping to create a roll-up that allows the user to expand each of these sections and see the underlying account balances. They can even drill down on those values as well. This allows the user to go from a very high-level view of this report to a transaction-level view, all in a matter of seconds with just a few mouse clicks. Additionally, notice that at the bottom of the report, there is a chart that updates whenever I change one of the parameters. The reason for this is the integration that BizInsight has with Excel. These are not simply viewed as foreign data objects, but as native functions. What that means is that I can attach any Excel element to my BizInsight functions, in this case a chart, and when I change the parameters that update that table, the chart that is attached to it is going to update as well. This comes in very handy if I have a user that doesn't want to have to delve into the numbers, but only wants to see a graphical representation of a key performance indicator. Rather than providing an additional version of this report to accommodate them, I simply add a chart to my existing report, and now I've opened it up to be used by a whole new realm of users.